US government has deported 7 after serving jail terms and declared them undesirable US citizens. Sarabena mashoko anonoka kunze Trump pangwaine odepota ma7 Zimbabweans who subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina munozero mudani kwa mchinzi. The 7 arrived at Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport last week. They were flown in on a chartered plane that also carried deportees from Ghana and Zambia, with Mozambique scheduled as the next stop. According to the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation (ZVAITWA), the men had served prison terms in the US before being declared undesirable immigrants under American law. Some returned home with little more than the clothes on their backs. Tendai Moyoshi, a trained chief, told ZBC he plans to start a business in Zimbabwe after serving 10 years in prison, while others expressed an interest in farming. For one returnee, identified only as Mabugu, reintegration presents unique challenges. Having left Zimbabwe as a child, he admitted he could no longer speak or understand Shona. I was born here in Masvingo. I grew up in the United States in Pennsylvania, he said. The deportations reflect a broader reality of Zimbabweans abroad. Since the early 2000s, hundreds of thousands have left the country in response to economic collapse, political instability, and failing industries. The International Organization for Immigration (IOM) estimates that at least 908,000 Zimbabweans live outside the country, with South Africa, the United Kingdom, and the United States being top destinations. In the US, the population of Zimbabweans has doubled over the past decade, from about 60,000 in 2010 to more than 120,000 today. For many, however, life abroad is precarious. American immigration law is particularly unforgiving toward non-citizens with criminal convictions, especially those involving aggravated felonies, which almost always trigger removal after sentences are served. Even those without convictions face risks if they overstay visas or breach immigration rules, as relief options such as asylum or cancellation of removal are limited. These 7 Zimbabweans were deported from America after serving years vari muusungwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu, subscribe, like, chat on the bell icon.